Hi legends, let's get ready to practice a regulation skill. This regulation skill is called sliding palms, and you can use it to get ready for bed. You can use it to get ready to do a presentation in front of the class. You can use it all the time. It's so simple. Let's get ready. We're going to start by putting our hands together. And it's as simple as that. Just start by noticing how your hands feel when they're together, pressing them together, not too tightly, but just a little bit, and then letting them go, and then bringing them back together again. And what we're going to do is slide our palms up and down, nice and slowly, just to warm up a little bit. I want you to feel the sensations on your fingers and on your palms as you slide up and down. Now bringing your hands back together. And this time, we're going to do the sliding palms properly. We've finished our warm-up, so let's move one hand down so the tips of the fingers are on your palm, and with the other hand you're going to squeeze those fingertips, and then you're going to do the same thing but on the other hand. And we're going to squeeze those fingertips, open the hand back up, bring the hands back together, keep them sliding, and squeeze. We're going to practice that just for a few moments as we slide and squeeze. We're not squeezing too tightly, just enough to feel safe and secure. As always, just noticing how it feels. And now, we're going to make the most of our sliding palms by adding our breathing to it. So let's come back to the middle. Let's get ready to start. And as we slide up this time, we're going to inhale. And when we squeeze, we're going to exhale. Let's take a few moments to get ready. Now let's go. Inhaling in and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Into the base of the lungs and out. Into the base of the lungs and out. Into the base of the lungs and out. Keep going. In and out. In and out. Now I'm going to practice along with you. Well done, legends. Let's bring our hands back together, stretching those fingers out, shaking at the wrists, rolling the shoulders, and notice how your hands feel now. They might be warm, they might be tingly. Anytime you're feeling worried, anxious, upset, try using the sliding palms with the breathing. Well done, legends, and we'll see you next time.